Last week, many of your Padlet questions were about where and how often it hails. For example, I wonder where hailstorms are most common. Can it happen in places where it's hot most of the time? I wonder, where does hail happen in a state or only in a little bit of states? This map might be useful as we try and answer some of your questions about hail. The title of the map is Hail Frequency Map. Frequency means how often something happens. The map shows severe hail days per year from 2003 to 2012. So how many hailstorms, severe hailstorms, they have a year on average. And here it says that severe means it has at least one report of inch or hail within 25 miles. Now I see a lot of colors and numbers here. Over on the side, I see light green means that there was 2 or 4 cases a year of hail, 4 to 6 cases a year, and the dark green says 12 or more hailstorms a year. And then as I look at my map, I can see, like, here it's dark green. It says 13, 12, 11, 12. That shows me that there was a lot of hailstorms here in a year on average, more than 12. Let's look at some of the questions. What is this map of? What does the title of the map tell us about what it shows? So you might say something like, this map tells us how frequent or how often it hails on average between 2003 and 2019. The next question asks, what does the word severe mean in the title of the map? What else can we learn from the title? So up here, it says severe means a day, days with at least one report of an inch or more of hail. So it has to have been at least an inch of hail. That's what severe means. What is the little number closest to Ann Arbor? What do the little numbers on the map mean? Let's look at Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor's over here. And this little number is a 6. What does the 6 mean? It tells us that on average, Ann Arbor has 6 hailstorms per year. And I can see that over here. Almost done. What do you think the darker and lighter parts on the map mean? How do you know? Well, if I look over here, I can see that the darker colors mean that there's more hailstorms, and the lighter colors means that there's fewer hailstorms. And white means there's just none or only one. Last question. What are some patterns you noticed as you examined the hail map? What do you notice? Where do most of the hailstorms tend to be? Where do you not see any hailstorms? This should help you answer the last question, which is, what new questions do you have? I know I definitely have some questions after looking at this map.